Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one interview question which is asked by the payment company Visa. So this question is based upon your understanding of the data which is available. Let's discuss the question. So the question is, we need to identify the top 3 areas with the highest customer density. And your output should include the area name and the calculated customer density. Okay. Now what we have? We have the 2 data frames, right? The transaction records and the stores. Now we need to frame the logic. How do we solve this problem? Okay. The question is, we are going to find out the top 3 areas of where we have the highest customer density. Now the very first step is to see the data which is available. We have the 2 data frames and these are the columns which are available, right? Now, what do we need for calculating the customer density? The total number of unique customers in the area upon the area size. Now, where the customers are available? Customers are available inside the transaction records, right? The customer ID. And where the area size? Area size is available in the stores data frame. Now, what the very first step is, we are going to merge these 2 data frames, right? Now, what is the common field? Common field is the store ID, right? So, first of all, we are going to merge the 2 data frames, the very first step. Now, the second step is, what do we want? The customer density. Now, how do I find out the customer density? First of all, for that, we need to calculate the number of unique records, means unique customers, right? For that, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate the unique customers in that particular area, right? Unique customers in that particular area. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to use the group by keyword. Now, what group by keyword does? It groups the columns and will give you the number of unique customers based upon the area. Okay. Now, after finding out the number of customers, unique customers, then we are able to calculate the customer density. Now, what will be our third step? Calculate customer density. Now, after calculating the customer density, then we need to identify the top 3 areas. Now, as we see in the last line, that it is saying ties will be ranked the same. Okay. Means we need to provide the rank to each area based upon the customer density. Then what we are going to do in the next step, we are going to provide rank based upon the customer density. Okay. Now, after providing rank, we are going to identify the top 3 areas. After providing rank, we are able to identify the top 3 areas. Okay. And our output should include only the area name and its calculated customer density. Keep this in mind, we need only 2 columns in the output, right? Now, let's write the code on the StrataScratch platform. So, this is the StrataScratch platform, right? So, this is the question which is available. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to import the pandas first, because pandas is a library which is used for the data manipulation. Let's import pandas. Then what is the first step? To merge the two data frames, right? So let's merge. First is transaction records. Okay, that's strips. Now, what is the common field? That is store item. See the merge data. Now we have the merge data. Okay. Now, what will be our second step? Second step is we need to use the group by keyword, right? For what purpose? To find the number of unique customers. Okay. Now let's use the group by keyword. Group by keyword on area name and area size. This is the area name and the area size. Now, what do we need to calculate? The number of customers. Let's write the customer ID over here. Now, how do we calculate the unique customers? We have the function that is nunique. Nunique. Now I'm going to use again the reset index to reset the index of this data frame. Now let's see the output first. See. So we are getting the area name, area size, and the customer ID. Customer ID stores the number of unique customers according to the area. Okay. Now we are able to calculate the customer density. Let's calculate customer density first. Let's make one new column, that is cust density, which is equal to, which stores the customer ID divided by the area size. Let's see the startup frame. Now what we have? Area name, area size, customer ID, that is the number of customers, unique customers. Then the customer density. Now we have the customer density. Now what will be our fourth step? To calculate, provide the rank based upon the customer density. Let's add one more column, rank based upon the customer density. Rank, the method that is dense rank. We're going to use a dense rank. So if you don't know the difference between the rank and the dense rank, I will make sure I will mention the link of that particular video so that you are able to get the difference of rank and dense rank. Okay, you can see the difference. Here I am just using the dense rank. Now I'm using the dense rank and I'm just what I want. I want which have the highest density rank, which it is ranked first. Okay. So by default, it works according to the ascending order. Means the smallest value get the first rank and next the second rank. But what I want, the highest value gets the first rank. So what will I do? I will make the ascending equal to false. Okay. See the output. So here we are getting the ranks according to the customer density. But what we want, the top 3 areas. Now the rank is not in the order. So we are going to sort the values, right? Now let's sort the values by using the sort values function based upon the rank. Now what we want, only top 3 areas. Okay, now I'm going to fetch the top 3 areas by using the head function and write 3. Now what we want in the only the 2 columns, that is the customer density and the area name. So what do we need? The area name, comma, the cust density. Let's see that. Now this is our final output. That is area name and cust density of the top 3 areas. Okay. I hope it is clear to all of you. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.